Hi everyone, this is Misty Proctor with Beverly Hanks in Saluda, North Carolina. I just wanted to take a few minutes to share some data about what's happened over the last 10 years in the city of Saluda concerning real estate and the growth of the market. As you can see in this slide, the number of days on market, median and average, over the last 10 years has continued to decrease. In 2022, we're seeing less than 50 days on average for homes to be on the market. More like around a week or less when it comes to a move-in ready, properly priced home in an ideal location in Saluda. This graph is showing the median and average closed prices over the last 10 years. It very clearly demonstrates that there has been a significant increase. In 2021, we saw about a $100,000 increase over 2020 in median sales prices in the Polk County region, and you can see that in Saluda that was about the same. In 2022, looks like we're headed down just a little bit. The trend is going to be hopefully coming down just a little, and we'll start seeing a more balanced market, a little more inventory coming on, a little more competition will drive those prices down just a little bit, but you can see that it clearly demonstrates a continued growth in the area. In the Asheville region, over the last 20 years, there's been a consistent average 6% appreciation in home prices. So I know this is a little hard to read, so I will help make sense of it. I'm going to be showing you the growth over the last 10 years, starting by what happened in 2011. We'll go to the next chart in a moment that shows what happened in 2016 and then 2021. So you can see the growth over the last 10 years by comparing those three particular years in 5-year intervals. So what we see here is, sorry, I said the last 10 years, or 20, I meant the last 10 years in 5-year intervals. So what we see here is the luxury home market range. So that's $800,000 or above. And in 2011, we only had one home that sold that was in that luxury market range. But total volume in sales was over 6 million. And the number of those that were financed was 30. So we'll compare that now to what happened 5 years later in 2016. You can see that in the luxury market range, we still didn't have very many sales. Actually, it was 0 for that year. But the volume increased to over 17 million. And the number of those that were financed was, looks like 68. So quite an increase in 5 years. And finally, we're taking a look at what just happened in 2021. You can see here in the luxury market range, now this one I did include the 700,000 and up because technically 750,000 plus is the luxury market. So in that range that you see highlighted here, we had 15 homes that sold. Total volume was almost 45 million, and the number of those that was financed was 92. I thought I'd just share very quickly what's been happening since the beginning of this year. So just in Q1 is almost over, just in the last almost 3 months. We haven't had any closings yet in the luxury market range, but you can see here that we do have 6 that are pending already just in the first couple of months, 6 pending luxury market sales. That's active, not pending. 6 that were active, and then you can see over here in the pending we already have 1 that's under contract. So quite a big increase there. We have almost 5,500,000 in volume, so 5.5 million just about, and our financing for those about 15, it looks like. Thanks again, everyone, for allowing me to share this data with you. I hope it's very helpful in understanding the real estate market growth in the Saluda, North Carolina area. Look forward to hearing from you if I can help you with any of your real estate needs.